Guys, watch this treasure chase first. 1 chest, 0 plan, and 10 angry pirates acting like I ruined their whole morning. Today I turned myself into the most chaotic pirate in Dreamina. Let's dive in.
Hurrah, get him! Nobody steals our gold!
Alright guys, last time was horror, so we used slow tension. Today is action comedy, so the trick is readable chaos. The danger, the joke, and the movement all need to hit in the same second. First, I create our treasure seeker, fat, family-friendly adventurer, Romaine. Basically my twin after a few extra burgers. Loose red Hawaii shirt, belt, boots, messy hair, panic face, and a treasure chest way too heavy for one person. He has to look like he already regrets everything. Then I build the world. Bright Caribbean islands, beach path, tiny escape boat, and rival pirates chasing him. The location needs layers because if the background is empty, the chase dies fast. This is where Dreamina Octo helps as the idea partner. I give it the basic setup. Pirate Romaine steals a chest and runs through the port. Octo sharpens the beats. Coins flying, chest grab, boat jump, and final action race. Action comedy needs different rules than horror. I need fast motion but still readable. So I split it into clean beats. Romaine runs with the chest, pirates appear, he escapes in the boat. 1 clip, 1 gag. Then Dreamina Seedance 2.0 brings it to life with handheld camera energy, pirates behind him, the chest bouncing, and Romaine looking back like he just realized how bad this plan is. The panic face matters. Without it, it is just running. To keep the mini-movie consistent, I reuse the same Pirate Romaine reference and sunny port style. Action comedy cuts fast, so if the character changes too much, the joke breaks. So here is your Day 2 arena hack. Keep characters consistent and use Seedance 2 Mini to experiment with lower costs. The final cut has a simple rhythm. He steals, he runs, he slips, the bridge breaks, the boat escape works, then the chest reveal ruins the victory. That is the Day 2 action comedy hack. Readable character, clear motion beats, props for jokes, and 1 twist at the end. Dreamina builds the world, Dreamina Octo sharpens the chase, and Dreamina Seedance 2.0 brings the chaos to life. Follow AI Arena for Day 3, where Baron Romaine enters the arena against Lara. That's all for today. Try Dreamina from the link in description. See you guys in the next one. Bye!